Hey, what's up, guys? Gonna be showing you some more of my graphic novel collection, and today I'm gonna be showing you my Birds of Prey graphic novel collection. And I have a few trade paperbacks here to show off in this video, and that's what I'm gonna be talking about today. And yeah, this is Birds of Prey Volume 1. This is some of the earlier issues with the team up of these characters. You got Black Canary, you got Barbara Gordon, you got Catwoman, and you got the Huntress in this graphic novel. And this is one of the earlier editions. They've made a couple of different editions of this with additional content, but this is like one of the earlier trade paperbacks, which is pretty cool. And I know, like, Barbara Gordon, she becomes where she's in a wheelchair because of the Joker. And she's kind of like tech savvy, and she's helping out the girls, like, you know, Black Canary, and they're part of the team, Black Canary and the Huntress, and, you know, Catwoman. But there's Barbara Gordon right there, also known as Batgirl, but she's not able to fight crime like she used to. So she finds another way to stop crime by being tech savvy. And they don't really make comics like this anymore, you know? Not too much like they used to. Every now and then you see something, but it's not like it used to be. But we have here, this is some of the, this is Birds of Prey Manhunts, which is the one I'm mostly familiar with, is this series, which lasted like 4 issues. This one's really action-packed. And I'll flip through it for you guys, just to have you see, you know, some of the images here. And yeah, I mainly like the Huntress. She's probably my favorite Birds of Prey. Black Canary is cool too, especially in, you know, the Arrow TV series from CW. I liked Katie Cassie playing the part. And this is my favorite version of Catwoman in the purple outfit. This is the one that I grew up with. So yeah, the Huntress, she's a pretty cool character. And you do have characters like Batman and Robin show up in this as well, and all that stuff. So, yeah, so that's the book, Volume 1 of Birds of Prey. Then we have some newer ones. We have the Birds of Prey End Run, which has Ed Benez artwork, which he's a very talented artist. So definitely a fan of his work. So more of that. So flip through it a little bit here. There we go. Get the penguin. So yeah. So that's that. Then we got Birds of Prey, Murder and Mystery. And then we have Birds of Prey, Hero Hunters. This is a really cool cover. I would show this a little bit more off, but this would make a really long video if I did it for too long, flipping through all this stuff, but you get the idea. But this is the collection that I do have, which is a really nice little collection of Birds of Prey. And I also have this, which is a short-lived Birds of Prey TV series, which I believe only ran for like a year or so. I don't think it was on very long. This is a complete series on DVD. I have not actually watched this, but I would like to check out the show. But yeah, it's looks interesting. You know, you got the Huntress, you got, you know, Barbara Gordon in a wheelchair. So, yeah, it looks very interesting. So, yeah, this is my collection, guys. Not much of a video for you guys today. I figured just show this off, tell you guys that I have this collection, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will talk to you later. Take care.